Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I'm Sindhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. So, let's move ahead. So, today we are going to start from page number 61. Let's see what is given. Guess and check. First question, let's see what is given. A. What part of each shape is colored? First, guess the answer, then check. Now, in this, there are different shapes is been given. This is first shape, this is second shape. Now, in this, what you have to do? You have to first just guess by looking at the picture that what part of the shape is been colored. Then you have to check it. So let's guess for the first shape. It is an octagon. So tell me by looking at figure what you can say, that which part, how many part is been colored. So by looking at the picture we can say that 1/8 part is colored. So let's check. See, it is an octagon. So it will have total 8 parts. If you by using a pencil, if you draw it in this way, you will come to know that there are total 8 equal parts. So from 8 equal parts, only one part is been colored. So what you will write? You will write that by looking at the figure, we can say that 1/8 part is colored. Now let's see the next shape. What shape is this? This is an rectangle. This is an rectangle. So while looking at the figure, we can again say that it is a 1/6 part is colored. It's 1/6 part is colored. Now let's check whether 1/6 part is colored or not. So what you will do, by using your scale and pencil, you will draw a line like this in a proper manner by using a pencil. So you will come to know there are total 6 parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 parts are there and only one part is been colored. So what you will write? By looking at the picture, we can say that 1/8 part of the shape is colored. Now let's turn the page. So let's observe the third figure in this one. So while looking at the picture, what you can say that how many part is been colored? So let's guess it is 2/9 part is colored. 2/9 part. Now let's make a line. So this way you will make a line in a proper way by using your pencil. Right, this way. So let's count how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 9 parts are there and among them 2 parts are colored. So what you will write? By looking at the picture, we can say that 2/9 of the shape is colored. Now this thing, the fourth shape, you have to do as a homework. You have to first guess the part which are colored by looking at it, and then you have to confirm whether you are correct or not. Now let's see the next question. B. Do you remember this picture? Look at this small triangle. What part of the square is it? Now how will you find this out? Now by looking at the picture, have you remembered where we have seen this thing? So this thing, other what is written? Divide the big triangles and other shape into small triangles. Like the red one, how many small triangles are there altogether? This picture we have seen in the activity, and in this colored small triangle is 1/16 part of the square. It will be 1/16 parts of the square, and to get this we have to follow shape. What we have to follow the step is that we have to divide this shape into small triangles. So this thing you have to do as your homework. Now let's read further. Colored parts. What is given? Colored parts. Right? In that, what is given? Let's read. Complete this. Now we have to complete the given picture. We have to see which part is been colored. Now let's read the first question. This one. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of blank equal parts, one part is colored blue. Now you can see in this picture that the circle has been divided into 2 equal parts. Let's count 1 and 2. Yes, there are two equal parts. Now you have to find that which part is colored blue. So we know there is two equal part. So what you will write out of here, you will write 2. In the blank you will write 2 because there are total 2 parts. So out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue. Next question, let's read. Here the circle is divided into blank equal parts. Let's count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts are there. So in this blank you will write 4. That there are 4 equal parts. Out of blank equal parts, blank parts are colored blue. So here you will write in this blank you will write 4 because we know there are total 4 equal parts, and among the 4 equal parts, how many parts are color blue? So here in the next blank you will write 2 because there are 1 and 2 part is been colored blue. So here it will come 2. Now next question, third. Here the circle. Now you have to complete the statement. Yes, a statement is given that here is the circle. Now what you can write? Here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Why 6 equal parts? Because they have been divided into 6 equal parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, there are 6 parts. So you will write here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts, and out of 6 equal parts there are 3 parts colored blue. So this thing you will write here. Now let's see the fourth part. Now this statement you have to complete it by yourself because it is similar to this one only, right? Now let's see ahead. So we can say that 1 by 2 is equal to by seeing the second picture, how many parts are there total? 4. So here we'll write 2 by 4. Then next picture, calculator sheet, blank upon 6. Blank upon 6 in the sense 3 upon 6. Here you will write 3 upon 6, and in the last one you will write 4 upon 8 because here there are 8 equal parts and there are 4 blue color and 4 pink color. So in the last you will write 4 by 8. So I hope this much is clear. Now let's move ahead. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Ammu and Anu. So here a person called Ramesh has bought a piece of halwa for his children, that is Ammu and Anu. So let's see what ahead is given. He divided it equally for them. So what he did, here is a one piece of halwa, and for them to give them equally, he had divided it into equal part. So here it is given how many parts are there. There are 2 parts. So each will get blank part of the halwa. So how many part of the halwa will each of them get? They will get 1 by 2 part of halwa. So in the first blank you will write 1 by 2 part of halwa. Next, let's read ahead what is given. This piece is too big. We can't eat, they said. So he divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Ammu get? Now by looking this piece, the Ammu and Anu is saying that this piece is too big for them to eat. So what he did, what the Ramesh has done, he has divided it again into half. Now how many pieces will Ammu get? So he has divided it in 2 parts again. So total there are 4 pieces, 4 parts, right? So how many part Ammu will get? So she will be getting 2 by 2 pieces. So you will write here 2 pieces. In the next blank you will write 2 pieces. So let's see this question. What part of the halwa it is? Is it? So tell me what part of halwa it will be. It will be 2/4 part, right? You can say that it is a 2/4 part of halwa or 1 by 2 part of the halwa. So here you will write 2 by 4 part of halwa or 1 by 2 part of halwa. Make it even smaller, Dad, they asked. So by looking the piece of part of the halwa, Ammu and Anu is saying that, Dad, make it even smaller than this. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Okay, thank you, Dad. So what Ramesh did, he cut the halwa more into smaller pieces. So looking at that, Ammu and Anu said, thank you, Dad. So these are the pieces. So let's count how many pieces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 pieces are there. Now let's read ahead. Now how many pieces will each get? So there are total 8 pieces. So how many pieces each of them will get? So they will get 4 pieces because there are 8 pieces, right? So if we divide it, if we want to give it half to each, so we will do half into 8. So 2 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, we will get 4. So 4 ones are 4. So 4 pieces each of them will be getting. Now let's see the next question. What part of halwa is each piece now? Now you have to tell that what part of that piece is of the halwa. So we know that it is a 1/8 part of the halwa, that is 1/8 part of the halwa. So the answer of this question is 1/8 part of the halwa. Let's see the next question. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces will each have got? Suppose if the Ramesh is cutting the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many each of them will get? Obviously we know that if we here divide it into 6 parts, so half into 6 will be 2 get cancelled, 6 get cancelled, 3 will remain. So 3 ones are 3. So they will be getting 3 equal parts. Now next question, look at your answer for question 1 to 4 and write. Now look the answer which we get from 1 to 4. We have to look it carefully and then we have to complete this. So first Ramesh has divided the whole part into half, so it will be 1/2. After that he had further divided, so we will write here 2/4. The second one you will write 2/4. Then here in third one you will write 3/6. You will write 3/6. In the next blank you will write 4/8. Then in further you will write 5/10. And in the last one you will write 6/12. So this will be your answer. This thing you have to write in the textbook itself, and other question, that is these questions you have to solve in a notebook. So for today this much only, and in our next class we are going to see further. So thank you so much.